Hey guys, come take them. I don't know, it's been a while since I've posted absolutely anything, but I figure I do enough to cars that I should just start recording it and posting it. If anyone gets any help out of it, it'd be cool. So, bought the wife this brand new NX350 hybrid all-wheel drive, and I told her, I was like, you really should get a screen protector since you're going to be touching on this beautiful 14-inch screen, I believe it is. So yeah, I'm going to go over how to clean and install it. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that it fits correctly. So this is the unboxing, or unwrapping, I guess. So it has cutouts for each of the knobs, and then it looks like they're just having you put some tape across it to hold in place as you squeegee it down. Yeah, it's a pretty good fit. So next we'll get to the cleaning. So I'm gonna guess this is just like any other your cell phone screen protectors or anything like that. Make sure there's no dust, hair, fingerprints, because all that's going to be stuck underneath your screen protector. So we're taking the wet nap first, and that'll get off all your fingerprints and most of the dust. Alright, and then we'll just let that dry. Alright, we'll give that a few seconds to air dry, and you can still see there's still some dust on the screen. So you're going to take these stickers, it's just sticky paper, and just go over the whole screen. You can do it in grid form, you can do it up and down, however you want. Just make sure you get the whole screen, and this is going to catch any dust that didn't wipe off with your alcohol pad. And anytime you get dust underneath your screen protectors that cause air bubbles, then the adhesive doesn't want to stick anymore, etc., etc. So just make sure you do a good job. Alright, I'm going to pause it again. I'm going to get set up for the actual protector installation. Alright, I'm going to try and get this the best I can. Hopefully I don't knock over the camera. But basically all you're going to do is take this, and if you get a screen protector that doesn't come with one of these, a piece of masking tape will work just the same. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place it, get it into place pretty well how you want it, and then peel off the back of the tape here. And then once you get it into place where you want it, go ahead and stick that down across the top of the screen here. And like I said, a piece of masking tape, like 2-inch, should do pretty good. It doesn't look like I'm even, and I'm a kind of a perfectionist, so I'll get this into place so that I'm ready to actually put it. But that's basically how you get it set up on the screen. Alright, I feel pretty good about that. The gaps around the knobs are all pretty even. So one more time, you're going to take your sticky pad and just go ahead and lift this, leave this taped in place, and lift it up. And it'll have a lot to do with the procedures, or the install as well. I watched another video and there was dust all underneath the cover and everything else. And well, like I said, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I don't want to see any kind of dust underneath here. And so now we're ready. I believe you just gotta, there's a little tab here that peels back the protective film. Alright, so we're all de-dusted. We're going to leave this lifted up. And you got to make sure that this tape stays secured onto the screen, because then it's not going to lay right. And then guys, do not get any fingerprints or anything underneath this, because it is sticky and that is your adhesive. Okay. But no, so now what you're gonna do after you lay it down, hopefully you had better luck with the taping, but you're just gonna always work out from the middle, and you can go up, down, doesn't matter, but you're going to try and work out any air bubbles that might be in between your protector and your screen. Alright, I gotta go get the keys so I can turn this monitor on. That'll show any bubbles I might have missed, and we can just keep working those out. Alright, and we're back to recording. Go ahead, power it up. So yeah, this tape definitely did not hold the screen for placement, so maybe even putting another couple pieces of tape across the top just to hold it, to make sure it makes your install easy. So both lit up and in the dark, I don't see any bubbles, I don't see any dust, so I'm gonna call that good. So now we can peel this off ever so gently, because you don't want to pull off your brand new installed screen protector. And just moving it around like this, I mean, it's not flawless or any of that. So, all right, well, I don't know. And shoot me any comments, questions, concerns. I don't know what concerns you'd have, but yeah, that's it. I'll be adding more to doing some off-roading of my GX. It's in my buddy's shop, getting fixed up after almost almost had a dangerous encounter with a cliff. But yeah, guys, that's how you do an NX, and I'm pretty sure all the Toyotas are different. This is my UX. This will be it, but and I'll be getting myself an NX, and I'll be doing a overtrail version because the US doesn't get that. So I'll be making the USDM version. All right. Well, like, comment, concern, I don't know, whatever those YouTubers say. I'm not a YouTuber, but I just figured this would be informative. Later.